So, vidIQ.com is basically an online store selling electronics and other products at what can look like attractive prices. But before you place an order, there are some serious things I'd want to check. The biggest concern is the site's reputation. ScamAdvisor currently gives vidIQ a trust score of 0 and flags the website as very likely unsafe. It also notes that the domain is relatively young, has hidden WHOIS information, and shares technical characteristics with previously flagged scam sites. I'd also be cautious about heavily discounted products. Investigations into the site have reported complaints involving non-delivery or products that don't match the advertising. Those reports don't prove every order will have a problem, but they're certainly worth taking seriously. So, is vidIQ.com a scam? I wouldn't state that as an absolute fact, but there are enough warning signs that I would personally avoid buying from the site. Overall, don't let a big discount convince you to take unnecessary risks. If you already ordered, save your receipts and screenshots and contact your payment provider quickly if the order doesn't arrive or isn't as described. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.